rangba ka jilaw konrad ki sangma ha ka shipau terikala lingkon ula ong bakami satya ka no ka jingkylli baka sorkar ka persyang ban pynkylla ya ka Land Transfer Act bat ban nyat lat ya ki Autonomous District Council ha ka bayade baka jingtmu thiet jaka Land Bank ban penslor bat kentiu ya ka jingwan seng ya ki kam bakong san ha ka jila habakdo halor ki jingkno bat persya ya ka Investment Meghalaya Agency kum ka jingtip ka basngotho bakla Chief Minister ula ong bakalong ka babakla jor ban ong baka sorkar kan sa pynkylla ya ka Land Transfer Act Sya bangan pensya sya baro bakamlong ka baday na bakamdan satya ka jing pynkylla ya ka Land Transfer Act kamdan ka jingkylli ban nyat lat ya ki District Council lani ya ki kli nongsan charge nong ni ki rangba shnong kamdan ka jingkylli bagi company shimet kinwan ban thiet jaka dalade hi kamdan ka no ka jing pynkylla ya kini sham la le AA bat ngin le AA hiru ya kani ka benta kular Chief Minister habapan pau halor ka rajong ka kunhun menteri halor kani ka phang Chief Minister ulaong nadu kasngi ka baningkong ka jingkylli ka bangilawan ra kalong bangin ailat ya ka IMA bakan thiet jaka bat ban bu e ki jaka kumbale ka MIDC bat MTDC kani ka de ka agency ka ban kan tiu yi ki kam sengjam ha ka jela halor ki katu ka ni ki jingmi khubor ki baong bangila kanran din henry ngi khlem kanran din satya ka jing shishahi kalong bapila aya ka khubor ka babakla nadu ka basdang ni shupen shai ba ki jingpen pau jong phi kilong ki babakla bat nadu kasngi ka baningkong nilaong baka jingkylli kammi satya halor kini ki laitli ki man ulaong da ka babenrap ru ladadon ki basngo kya da kino kini ki kunhun lani da kino kini ki agency ni District Council nginjin dala kemen ban yakren ngilong ki bakmen ban pensya ya kani ka kam naluar kata hababatay ya ka benta jong ka IMA ukonrat ulaong ka IMA kalongkum ka waypat ka board trekam jong ka sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka shnat ha ka baki brio kin apply banyo jingbit na ka benta bakin sedang ya lagi jong ki company bat ru banyo iki subsidy ki ba ka jela bat ka sorkar pedeng ki terwa kam hashwa ka judan ka single window agency SWA Henry kani company jingmat hakikam karkhana mentang idan ya ka jingseng kam ha ka liang ka koit ka kya ka company boarding ka kam jungo kai bat ka puli puthi kumta ha ka kam puli puthi kidai ban net shakatran education banyo jingbit ni shakatran industry lani la dakwa sedang ya ka hospital unnet shakatran ka koit ka kya ni shaka single window agency banyo jingbit kumta ru halor kini ki jirwan nila rai banwan ra no da ka IMA ha ka babaro kitnat kenya dan lang ong Chief Minister
the entire issue that is being brought in is completely incorrect. There is no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of IMA trying, that is Invest Meghalaya Agency, trying to bypass any authority, agency or the district councils or anybody or the Rambashnos. There is no question, as I said, of land being bought directly by the private investors. This is all incorrect and absolutely incorrect information. IMA is a government of Meghalaya's Invest Meghalaya Agency. It is like MTDC, like an MIDC, like MECL. It is another authority of the government of Meghalaya. It is also the body where individuals will apply for permissions now to start their companies and also to get the necessary subsidies that the center and the state is providing. Earlier there used to be the single window agency, but single window agency was more industries oriented. Today we have investments in health, we have investments in power, we have investments in tourism, we have investments in education. So therefore, for an education institute, should he go to education department for permissions or should he go to the industries department permissions? For a medical, somebody who wants to start a hospital, should he go to health department for permissions? Should he go to the single window agency for permissions? Because of this kind of complexity, we decided to come up with the IMA, which is all encompassing. All departments are part of this, and it's a one-stop shop and a single portal where the investor can apply and the necessary permissions are given through this IMA, which then approaches the different departments, approaches the different agencies for the necessary permission. So therefore, it's nothing but a platform to allow people to come to one location, but the process of permissions to be given by the agencies stands as is where is. That means that the permission required from district council has to be taken, must be taken, and there's no change in that. It is just channelizing the entire system through IMA. Now, when IMA is giving these permissions, then IMA also is an authority where individuals will say, well, we want to set up a factory. We need 1 acre of land, 2 acre of land. Sometimes MIDC will have it, sometimes they may not have it. So therefore, the decision what we took was that like MIDC, like MTDC, like DRDA, government agencies which can buy land and then further lease it out for investments, IMA also should be allowed to purchase land and create a land bank to then further lease out to investors. So it's as simple as that. So therefore, it is completely wrong to say that the amendment of the Land Transfer Act will be done. Let me categorically clarify to everybody, it is absolutely incorrect. There is no amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of bypassing the district councils. There is no question of private sector coming in and buying land directly. None of these procedures have been amended. Nothing has been done. Nothing will be done from day one, in fact. From day one, the only amendment we made was we are allowing IMA to also buy land and create a land pool like MIDC has and like MTDC has, because this is the agency that is going to promote the investments. I know, contrary to what certain agencies, press agencies have been saying, that we backtracked. We did not backtrack. The facts that you presented in the beginning were wrong. So we only clarified that your facts were wrong. And from day one, we've been very clear that there is no question of these 3 points. I repeat again, no question of any amendment to the Land Transfer Act. There is no question of bypassing any agency, including the district councils and any other agencies through which we need to take permissions, including the local community, the Rangbashnongs, all the other headmen. Whatever permission required has to be taken, as it was in the beginning. And number 3, the private agencies coming in and buying land directly is not at all there in the provision. So I just want to clarify that. But if there are any further concerns by anybody or by any agency or any district council or organizations, we'll be happy to talk, we'll be happy to address those issues, discuss with you, clarify it. And if there are certain points that need more thought process to be done, we're happy to look into it.